Good morning children. I am happy to welcome you all for the today's computer class. Yes, shall we start our subject? Okay, we are going to see the third lesson in the computer, that is operating a computer. We are going to see about how to switch on and switch off the computer, and then knowing the windows for some of the basic parts of the windows and working of the computer. These all are the topics we are going to cover in this chapter. First, let us see how to switch on a computer. Okay, if we want to do any operations on the computer, first we need to switch on it. Okay, what all are the steps to switch on the computer? First, we have to switch on the power button of the switchboard. Yes, what is the first step? We have to switch on the power button of the switchboard, and then next we have to switch on the UPS button. This is the second step. Third, we have to switch on the CPU power button, and then at last we have to turn on the monitor power button. Okay, 4 steps are there to switch on the computer. First, power switch. Second, UPS power. CPU power. At last, monitor power. These are the 4 steps to switch on the computer. After switch on the computer, we will see the first screen of the computer. The first screen of the computer is called a desktop. See, when we switch on the computer, the screen will looks like this. This screen is called a desktop. What is this? This is a desktop. Okay, today we are going to see the operating system, Windows operating system. See, most of the computers nowadays are using the Windows operating system. In this Windows operating system, this desktop screen have basic options. I will say the some of the main options of this desktop screen. See, in the bottom left corner we have a button. This button is called a start button. What is this? This is a start button. And then this ribbon like part of the desktop is called a taskbar, and the small pictures are called the icons, and this is the gadget. These are the main parts of the desktop screen. Okay, next we are going to see the how to use the start button. Where the start button locates? Yes, it locates on the bottom left corner of the computer. Click on the start button. Some options, list of programs available in the computer will be displayed. See here, list of the programs will be displayed here. Click the start button first, and then all programs options. Click the start button and then all programs option. After clicking the all programs option, the programs available in the computer will be displayed. Select the program which you want and then double click on it. Okay, this is the steps to open the programs in the Windows operating system. Okay, next we are going to see about icons. I already told you icons are the small pictures on the desktop. Yes, what is the icon? Icon are the small picture on the desktop. It may represent a file or a folder or programs or any other items on the screen. See here, they are given here some of the examples for these icons. See, this is a my computer icon, and this one is a recycle bin. This is a Internet Explorer, and this is a users folder. These all are examples for the icons. Next we are going to see the ribbon like structure in the desktop, which is called a taskbar. This will be appeared in the bottom of the desktop screen, and this taskbar have a start button in it and the shortcuts for the program. The right side we can see the notifications. At last it is having a clock. Okay, these are the options for this taskbar button. And then we can see how to switch off the computer. Okay, how to switch off the computer? We should not directly switch off the computer. It having some procedures to switch off the computer. What are they? I will explain you. Okay, first we have to click the start button. Where the start button locates? It locates in the bottom left corner of the computer. Okay, click on the start button. It displays here some list of programs there. From that, select the shutdown option. See here, it is the shutdown option is there. Click on that shutdown option. The computer will start to switch off. After, the black screen appears on the monitor. What color screen? The black screen appears on the monitor. The black screen represents the computer connection is off. And then we can switch off this monitor power button. See here, in the monitor we are having a power button. No, just click on that monitor power button and then switch off this UPS button. At last, switch off the power button. Okay, when switch off the computer, you should not off the CPU button. It will switch off automatically. Okay, first step is to click start and then shut down and then monitor power button, UPS power button and then power button from the switchboard. These are the steps to switch off the computer. We should not directly switch off the computer. Okay, next we are going to see the working of the computer. How the computer works? It involves the three main steps. One is the input, second is the processing, third is the output. Three steps it is having. First is the input, processing and then output. This step is called, this cycle is called a input. IPO. This working of a computer is simply represented as IPO cycle. What is the work of this input? Input device gets the input for the information from the user and give it to the computer. This is the work of this input device. What is the work of this processor? This processing device process the input get from the user, process the input and send the results to the output device. The output device displays the result. Okay, this is the input, process, output, IPO cycle. Okay, this is the working of the computer. Children, let us recall this lesson. First, we saw about how to switch on the computer and then we saw the parts of the desktop. I explained you about your start button and then your taskbar, about your icons. At last, we saw about how to switch off the computer. Okay, and then the working of your computer involves the three steps IPO cycle. Okay children, go through the lessons, finish the classwork and send me. Don't delay. Okay children, have a nice day.